Hey everyone, sometimes communicating without words may be the best, and that's where reactions come into play. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up and use emotes and emoji reactions. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is head over to our main menu. Then you want to go and click on these three dots here. You'll see an icon next to the letter T. This is our reaction menu. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a nice little UI pop up. Within this UI, you should see some predefined reactions. These are pre-set up emotes. Now to the right, there is a small icon. This is a reactions menu icon. And then there's also the edit hotkeys button. Now below that, you'll see the same reactions icon with the letter T. The letter T is the hotkey that allows you to quickly bring up your UI for this function. So if we click in the space, not on any icon, you'll notice that the UI goes away. But if we click the T on the keyboard, it brings it right back. See, this is very convenient and it makes it super easy to use now. With the Reactions UI open, looking at this section, there are 5 slots to the left of this line here, and those are emote silhouettes. They represent different types of emotes or animations that you can use. If you click on one of these, you'll perform that emote or animation in that slot. Now, to the right of this line is the reaction selection window that opens up and provides you with all the emotes and emojis that you have at your disposal. Now, at the top, you'll see animations and emojis. When you click on animations and scroll down, you'll see a full list. And if you click on emojis, you'll see also a full list of emojis that you can add to a slot. Now, with the animations and emojis window open, you can click on an emote and add itself to the bar below, and it pushes the furthest emote on the right out of a slot. Once the emote is in that bar, you can simply click on one of the silhouette icons there, and your character will do the animation. This is a great way to be able to communicate and have fun. Of course, you can also add emojis to this. Just click on the emojis category up top and you can add emojis to this list in the same manner as you did with the emotes. This is just cool because you can now add any mood to help communicate the emotion for that moment. Now, it's great being able to use the hotkey to be able to pull up your menu to select the emote for the mood. But it could take a little long, so Spatial has an additional feature to edit these 5 slots. This is the icon, the Edit Hotkey menu. After clicking this icon, this pulls up a new menu showing hotkeys with the numbers 1 through 5. When you click on one of the numbers, it pulls up an animation and emojis window selection. After clicking and selecting the number, you then want to select the emote or emoji that you're looking to add to that number, and you can do this for each number below. Now you have the ability on your keyboard to select the number keys 1 through 5 to quickly get to these emotes or emojis that you have selected. It's quick and effective, especially for those you use the most. Great. So now you have the ability to use emotes and emojis and assign hotkeys for quick access.